Just preparing for the building of the floor. And I have a very affectionate black cat. Our plan is to put down some old yoga blankets, which are wool, to insulate the floor. And then we're going to put butyl runoff on the inwells. And then, what's next? We're recycling some plywood. And we're going to cut that into strips, lay that down 16 strips across in the van. And then that's going to form the base of our subfloor, which then we'll put plywood on top, which is the old floor that we're recycling as well. So, what are you doing?
Mixing paint.
Why are you mixing paint?
So thick.
So we're painting the boards for the subfloor. It's recycled plywood and it has a bit of mould, and we kind of want to not have mould in our bus wash bag. So we
It had a piece of mold on the wood. We cut the mold off, but there are mold spores, I've been told.
So we're being a little bit pedantic and careful, but no one likes mould in their house. So we're going to paint it before we put it in. Blessings everyone, it's Sarah from Roots Yoga Van Life. So I'm working on my own today and it's a beautiful sunny day for the next 2 days, so I'm going to get a chance to do a little bit of interior painting. Yesterday we gave the inside of the van a good clean out and plugged up all the little holes from the chairs. So previously, before, there was about 15 chairs in here, so we've superflexed up all those holes. And today, just to minimise any sort of potential rust, because it is an older van and it's previously had rust, I'm going to give it a beautiful lick of paint all the way across the top and maybe go a bit up the sides as well, see how I go. It's pretty full on paint, so I'm really glad that it's a warm day and it will dry quickly. And yeah, so I'll be working on my own and yeah, enjoy. Okay, I'm all done. That's the rust protective paint in. And it's black because I picked up the wrong colour. I was supposed to get white. Instead I got black, but that's okay because it's going to be underneath everything. But yeah, looks good.
Me and my
Okay.
Okay, me and my sister are gonna be helping. Me and my sister are gonna be helping. Can you stop being? Okay, me and my sister are gonna be helping soundproofing the floor. Soundproofing the floor. And the thing we're using is called butyl rubber. And the thing we're using is gonna called butyl rubber. You have to copy me. Hallie, I want to say it too. Okay. Let's get to it.
off just that hold on the first floor. It's actually bits of plywood cut into sheets, cut into strips. It's much cheaper that way. And I'm measuring it at 25 centimeters, sorry, you need to get. That's it. I'm using glue and I'm screwing on the ends and then just in the middle, just so I minimize on screws. That means too many screws, but because the liquid snails is quite strong, it'll grip. And if it doesn't have a flex, it'll dry hard. So it'll be firm and one part of the, so the floor won't move, it'll be firm as part of the fan.
In case you're wondering what I'm doing with all these pink old blankets, so a little bit of a story. This pink blanket I've had for years. I got it at an op shop as a wool blanket, and it kept me alive in really cold weather. So we used this blanket for soldering, and it got a bit damaged, but it protected us during the soldering and welding. Not so much soldering, more welding, isn't it? Yes, weldering, not soldering. And now I'm cutting them into strips and then laying it down as the insulation on the floor of the van, which is going to keep us cozy and warm.
Hey!
And that's the story of why I'm cutting up old op shop blankets.